Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add round edges in Affinity Photo. This is a simple but very useful technique that you can use to create modern-looking images, profile pictures, website graphics, social media designs, and many other creative projects. The best part is that we will do this in a non-destructive way, which means you can still edit everything later without starting over. First, launch Affinity Photo and get your workspace ready. Open the image you want to round by going to File, Open, or simply drag the file into the app. You should see your photo as a layer in the Layers panel. Before moving forward, make sure your image is properly loaded and visible in the Layers panel. Keeping your layers organized will make editing much easier, especially when you want to make changes later. Next, head to the left toolbar and choose the Rectangle tool. Press and hold on that icon to reveal the rounded rectangle option. Then, select it. With the rounded rectangle active, move over your canvas and click Drag to draw a shape on top of your photo. Aim to cover the area you want to keep. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. You can always adjust the shape later, so focus on creating a basic layout first. Try to position the rounded rectangle where you want your final image to appear. Use the corner handles to resize the shape, and adjust the roundness by dragging the small circular handle that controls the corner radius. If you want softer or tighter curves, that single handle does the job. For example, a larger radius will create a smoother, more rounded style that works well for modern designs, while a smaller radius gives a more subtle, professional look. You can also toggle the stroke on or off in the Context toolbar if you don't want a border. Removing the stroke is useful when you want only the rounded photo effect without any visible outline. However, keeping a stroke can also help create a framed design style, depending on your project. Now, let's make the photo adopt those rounded corners. In the Layers panel, place the rounded rectangle above the image if it isn't already. Then, drag the image layer directly into the rounded rectangle layer until it indents. This creates a clipping relationship, where the shape acts like a container and your photo instantly appears with perfectly rounded edges. This clipping method gives you full control because the rounded rectangle works like a mask. Your original image remains safe, and you can change the shape or adjust the photo whenever you need. Select the photo layer and use the Move tool to reposition or scale the image inside the shape without changing the corner radius. This is especially helpful when you want to focus on a specific part of the image. You can move the photo around inside the rounded frame while keeping the same clean corner effect. If the corners aren't quite right, reselect the rounded rectangle and adjust the radius handle at any time. You don't need to recreate the shape again. Simply update the corner radius until you get the exact look you want. That's it! You've rounded the edges cleanly and non-destructively. Your file stays editable, so you can revisit the shape or the image at any time for adjustments. This technique is a great addition to your Affinity Photo workflow because it saves time and gives you more flexibility when creating professional designs.